Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling hidden items and making sure you have an account with permission to view system folders. This prevents access errors. Once done, open File Explorer or press Win plus E to begin navigating. Next, use the View menu to check hidden items and options to show protected operating system files only if necessary. This guarantees you can see both user and machine-level program data. Finally, keep the Run dialog ready for direct paths so you can jump straight to the folder. You now focus on the actual paths. Type %appdata% in Run to open the roaming profile folder where many apps store settings. This explains why settings follow you between logins. Then check %localappdata% for cache and local-only files that stay on this PC. Make sure to also inspect /program data for data shared across users. Once you open it, look for vendor-named folders. Use the address bar to copy full paths when you need to reference or backup files. To finish, open the exact folder you need and inspect contents. If you get an access denied message, right-click, choose Properties, and review the Security tab to adjust permissions or run as administrator. Once done, search Windows for the program's name to find less obvious folders. Make sure to copy configuration files before editing. If something goes wrong, restore the backup or revert permissions. This single troubleshooting step saves hours and prevents accidental data loss, so do it first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.